Good afternoon, and thank you for listening to Athena Reads Poetry. Today I have the lovely poem Cotton Candy on a Rainy Day, written in 1978 by Nikki Giovanni. I'll read a summation on her background by Jane M. Marstow and Yolanda Williams Page. Born Yolanda Cornelia Nikki Giovanni Jr. on June 7, 1943, she is an American poet, writer, commentator, activist, and educator. One of the world's most well-known African-American poets, her work includes poetry anthologies, poetry recordings, and nonfiction essays, and covers topics ranging from race and social issues to children's literature. She's won numerous awards, including the Langston Hughes Medal and the NAACP Image Award. She has been nominated for a Grammy Award for her poetry album, The Nikki Giovanni Poetry Collection. Additionally, she has been named as one of Oprah Winfrey's 25 Living Legends. So she gained popularity as a prominent poet during the civil rights and Black Power movement, as well as the leading authors of the Black Arts movement. I have included in the description her own reading of this poem, as well as her speech for a TED Talk segment. Please feel free to research further, as well as provide feedback for any of my episodes. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell for new episodes every Sunday. Again, I want to thank you for indulging my channel and hope you enjoy Cotton Candy on a Rainy Day by Nikki Giovanni. Don't look now, I'm fading away into the gray of my mornings or the blues of every night. Is it that my nails keep breaking, or maybe the corn on my second little piggy? Things keep popping out on my face or of my life. It seems no matter how I try, I become more difficult to hold. I am not an easy woman to want. They have asked the psychiatrists, the psychologists, politicians, and social workers what this decade will be known for. There is no doubt it is loneliness.